Good morning. Gosh, I look swollen. I couldn't sleep last night. Well, this morning Ellis decided to he's like got a cold from nursery as always, and so he was coughing for a lot of the night, not corona based, and so I couldn't sleep. And so at 4 o'clock I was like, that's it, I'm getting up, I'm gonna get up at 4 o'clock and I'm gonna get some stuff done. Well, I came into the office playroom to like start, because I need to do a food shop, so I was like, well, I'll look at some food recipes and write a list, and then I'll go to Sainsbury's at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I was like, Caroline, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. So I went downstairs, I put Friends on, and I fell asleep in front of the sofa. In front of the sofa? No, fell asleep on the sofa and woke up at 7:30. Now it is 8:10 and I look like this, and I haven't looked at any food for Sainsbury's, and so yeah, that's that. I need to get food sorted because we haven't got any food in the house. I'd rather get Sainsbury's sooner rather than later, because obviously it's going to get busy. Oh, hello. So I'm now back from Sainsbury's. Obviously I didn't film in Sainsbury's because that's boring and no one needs to, everyone knows what Sainsbury's is like. So I bought everything. Cost a lot of money, but we're set now till January. Just received a really lovely little package from a mum friend I've met via Instagram. Her personal Instagram is called The Mum Affairs, where she shares all things motherhood, and then her little business account is called Zine and Me. And so to show you what I have got, I have opened it already because I have zero patience. When I get things in the post, I have to open it immediately because, like I said, I can't wait to get the camera out. So what I've received is, first of all, this cute little mama bear pin here. She did ask if I wanted a mama or papa one, and I had to choose mama. And then we have this lovely tissue paper, which I will be reusing because that's who I am. And inside we have all these goodies. Right, let me just get them all out and I'll show you all in one go. In the little box was a little activity gift set for Santa, so you can write a letter to Santa. We have some candy canes. Obviously I had to put them in the heart because, you know. We have 2 types of tea. I did let Sophie, the business owner, know I was vegan, so she switched out the hot chocolate and gave me some tea instead, which was very kind of her. She didn't have to do that. An amazing book, A Letter to Santa. We all know that I'm always on a quest for Christmas books, so I enjoy reading that with Ellis. Yeah, so you can write your own letter, so it's got actually like the pen and paper there. Obviously this year we won't be doing that with Ellis because he's only 1, but definitely will be getting use out of this in a few years' time. We have a Christmas card as well, and a little hat, which is Ellis size, which is fantastic because we've obviously only got Christmas hats that fit me and Sean's giant head, so yeah, that's there. Woohoo! So Zine and Me is a letterbox book gift set for baby and for the parents too, which I think is such a nice little touch to give some little treats for the mum or dad as well, because we always buy things for our kids, don't we? But we never actually buy stuff for ourselves. I saw a great, is it a meme? Yeah, I saw a great meme online today actually, was where you happily spend £300 on your kid for Christmas, but you won't spend £30 on your own pair of jeans because that's too expensive. So yeah, I really do like the premise behind this, that you're treating yourself as well as buying things for your little one. So yeah, I'll link Zine and Me down below. Make sure you go check her out. Hi, here I am, sitting in front of my washing machine. Just something I need to show you because I am impressed. I'm about to put a load of washing on, my clothes, well mine and Sean's clothes. We have a lot of laundry. When does laundry like go down? Is it just forever going to be overflowing? And also, at what point do I stop separating Ellis's clothes from mine and Sean's? Because at the minute I literally just wash Ellis's clothes by itself. And yeah, I do mine and Sean separately to that. And can I mix his clothes? We've used all the same washing stuff. Just seems weird to mix it. I guess it'll be harder to separate when it's all done. But anyway, what I'm coming on here to say is I am obviously on a mission to try and reduce my plastic as much as possible. And so a company called True Earth reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to sample their products. And so they very kindly sent me their entire range, these 3 here. As you can see, I've already started using them. And they are literally, how crazy is this? I'll link them down below. Their advert on YouTube is incredible. It's so funny. This is the packaging, that's everything. And this is 32 washes in this, that is it. Come perforated, and that will wash an entire load of washing. How mad is that? And I've been using them and I'm impressed. I think you can put 2 in if you have like heavily soiled clothes, but this is just general washing, so 1 will do. And so they do different types. So we have the baby, so obviously a bit more sensitive. The one I'm going to use today, which is, this is the fragrance free one, and then we have the linen fresh one. Yeah, I'm really impressed. It's plastic free, and I think it's literally because most washing detergents will come in, like, sort of the making process of most detergents has a lot of water involved. So they've literally taken out all the water and making a super concentrated washing powder, put it into little thing, and then so obviously because our washing machine is a drawer, it has a drawer, you rip it up into pieces like so, just like that. And then you put it in your drawer, in your regular detergent thing. You add it in your fabric conditioner if you use fabric conditioner. I'll add mine in a minute. And yeah, just a normal wash. If you have a top load washing machine, which I think is a bit more of an American or Canadian thing, then you just put the whole tab in the top. But yeah, I will link them down below. They are a Canadian company, so they're mainly based in Canada, but they do sell it in England, and I'm hoping that they're a bit more accessible in England soon. I'm hoping for like Sainsbury's and things to pick it up, because at the minute they are on niche, they're more on a niche website. But I will link them down below nonetheless, and if you're interested, I do recommend you check them out, because like I said, plastic free, eco-friendly, and all that jazz, vegan, and they're great and they work. That's the main thing, and they take up hardly any space in your cupboard, so even that is a big plus. I am going to light a wax melt because, well, I should. Not that I planned for this video to be full of gifted items, but this was gifted. The lovely Sarah from Disney Polar has started a wax melt company called Polar Homemade. She asked me to sample some of her wax melts, and this fresh linen one smells amazing. Like, it smells like fresh clothes. And so I figured, as I'm cleaning the house and I've got laundry on, I should melt my linen wax melt to make the house smell cleaner, because that's always fun. So let's light that. Ah, there we are. Well, I didn't vlog much this afternoon. I think I'm going to vlog tomorrow as well, because today has been a bit of a failure in the vlogging terms. When did he become 15? It looks huge. Good morning. There's Ellis. So obviously Ellis is not in nursery today. He's only got 1 day of nursery left next week before we break up for Christmas. So I'm going to try and take Ellis outside to the park in a minute. I need to get myself ready. Got dry shampoo in my hair because every night I put moisturiser in my hair, on my face, not on my hair, and it always ends up being a bit here, and so then that part of my hair just gets really oily because it's always got moisturiser in it, even though I like wear a headband and everything to get my hair out of my face. Yeah. You gonna wave? You say hello? Say hello. Say hello. Is that you? We are back from the playground. Obviously didn't film it because there were other children about and that wouldn't be appropriate. Sean is there making Ellis's lunch. Ellis is there eating a banana. I am making chocolate croissants because I need some good in my life. I'm standing over here, eating my croissant, hiding from Ellis. Well, I obviously forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I'm just about to start editing this one now, and I'm just apologising to anyone who's watched it for it being so scatty. But yeah, that's sometimes how it is, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.